In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple invoices into QuickBooks Online. This is a really handy feature, especially if you have a lot of invoices to manage and want to save time by importing them all at once instead of entering them one by one. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the option labeled New, which you'll find conveniently located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your starting point and where you'll access the tools to bring in your multiple invoices. Upon clicking New, you're going to select Batch Transactions. What this does is open up a table view. Now, think of this table view as your workspace. Each column represents a field where you can enter the details for each invoice. Similarly, each invoice gets its own row, which helps in organizing and distinguishing them efficiently. Once you have this table view open, make your way back to the top left and select Invoices as the entity type. It's crucial to set this correctly since we're specifically working with invoices here. Right next to it, you'll find another option to select an action. Here, you'll need to choose Create. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to add new data, not modify existing ones. Now you're ready to pull in all your data. You have a couple of options here, depending on how you prefer to manage your data or how it's prepared. If you already have your invoice data ready and simply want to paste it right into QuickBooks, you can do that by copying and pasting directly into the table view. This method works particularly well if your data is organized in a manner that matches the columns in QuickBooks. Alternatively, if your data is already prepared in a CSV or Excel file, you might find it easier to import directly. To do this, simply locate and click on the Import CSV Excel button positioned at the top right of the table view. This action opens a window allowing you to select your file. Just follow the prompts and QuickBooks will handle the rest. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured all your data is accurate and correctly aligned, you're all set. And that's all there is to it. By using the batch import feature, you've just streamlined what could have been a lengthy process into something quick and efficient. This method not only helps in reducing errors associated with manual entry, but also saves you a significant amount of time, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Remember, consistently keeping your financial data updated and organized is key to maintaining smooth business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.